right, Ramblers, let's get rambling.
It's me, Kyle, the Tool Rambler, and I'm glad to have you back. Today, I just want to go over a quick recap of my latest run to Harbor Freight. They had some stuff on sale, got some free tools, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to go over a few things with you. If I haven't posted it yet, I have a video coming out on floor jack maintenance and how to safely use jack stands. And one of the things I needed was some hydraulic jack oil. They sell Johnson's hydraulic jack oil. It is basic maintenance for your floor jack, and I don't think I'd maintained mine in 10 years. So it was taking a lot more pumps to get it to get up to its full height. So
it happens to everyone.
I went ahead and refilled the cylinder and really did restore the function of that floor jack pretty well. This was, I think it was $8 for a quart, and I used hardly any. I mean, I think it was full. I used about that much. So I probably have a lifetime supply of hydraulic jack oil here as long as my jack holds out. Another thing, the Icon 800 lumen rechargeable slim bar light. That's this. I got two of them. They were on sale, 25% off. They're normally $40. They were $29.99. I really like these lights. As you can see, they have many different, They have a little light on the back. It has a little light on the front. You can use it folded up like that, have a little flashlight. Yeah, so, and they are USB-C rechargeable. Pretty cool, a 3.7 volt battery, lithium ion, USB-C rechargeable.
I am an android, not a robot.
The flashlight runs at that one on the front I showed you is 150 lumens. That is that one. This one here has both, this is on low, this is 200 lumens, you'll get 7 hours runtime on that. That is on high, you'll get 3 hours of runtime at 800 lumens. And then they have this one on the back. That one is 500, 180, and that's 500. At 180, you'll get 8.5 hours, and at 500, which is what it's on now, you get 4.5 hours out of one battery charge.
There's a lot of numbers being thrown out.
So that's a pretty cool flashlight. It is magnetic, so if you need to stick it under the hood, or if you're underneath the car working on something, or just anywhere, it will, let me see, it will hold. So it's a pretty powerful magnet. Now, previously I've recommended these work lights. You can get them on Amazon. I think it's like $37 for 4 of these. I got one of these for 30, but these are not the quality. They're supposed to be 800 lumens, but I don't think they quite are. Let me see. That is the brightest on that setting. I know it's hard to tell on camera. And that is the brightest. They don't seem to be putting out, this one does seem to be putting out a heck of a lot more light. So hopefully I didn't blind you guys like I just blinded myself. The thing about these, I've had them for about 6 months. There's a little cap on the end here, and it's only held on by a couple of pieces of tape, and it's already fallen off of this one. And when that cap falls off, the LED on the front tends to slide out. I keep having to put it back in.
That's what she said?
And also, the batteries don't hold a charge very long, and they're getting weaker. The one thing I will say that I like about these is they do have a full rotation, 360 degrees. It'll go all the way around, but they don't have a light on the back. This one only has 180 degrees. It's either like that or like that. Now, some people have modified them, and I may do it to one of these where you can actually take this piece out, flip it around so that when it's closed, the long light's here. Now, I like it this way because you can magnetize it to something in the short variety, or you can extend it, flip it over, and magnetize it that way and still have the full light wherever, if you need it sticking out further. So you have a couple options there. The thing I don't like about it, though, is if I want to light something up like right here, it's easier if you got this magnetized. If I want to light something up here, it won't do it because it won't flip all the way over. So the big light can only shine to the outside or to the back. Now you do have the small light here, so you can light something up kind of like that. Once again, it's kind of top heavy, so if you'd need to be magnetized for it to work right. And my desk has a magnetic top, so it would work really well there if I need to illuminate something intricate that I'm working on. So just something to think about. I may flip it around. I got it in red and blue. They don't have a white. Otherwise, I would have gotten the full patriotic colors.
I'm a Yankee Doodle dandy, Yankee Doodle do or die.
Pretty cool little light, and right now it's on sale. By the time you see this, it probably won't be on sale anymore, but keep your eyes out. It probably will go on sale again soon. Now this one, I haven't even taken this one out of the package yet. This is kind of like the big brother of those. This is the 1000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar light with UV inspection. This one has low 120, that's the big light, and high 1000. You get 4 hours out of that. That's total light bar output. If you've got front or back output, you've got 100, 800, 17 hours on low at 100 lumens. The flashlight, just like this one, it has a little flashlight. Let me get out of the package. I'll show it to you. The flashlight's 400 lumen, and you get 10 hours out of it. So got it out of the package. It's nice. Feels like a real flashlight. You push that button, that'll turn that on. If you push, there's two buttons. There's a top one, a square one, that'll turn on that front light. And that front light is, I think, 400. Yeah, that's 400 lumens. At full charge, it'll give you 10 hours. And then you've got the foldable side. It is magnetic. Yep. This side's the magnet. It also, if you don't have a magnet, it's got a hook. And then the round button, I'm going to unfold it. That'll give you that. And then you have the same thing on the back. Then you can, if you want to light up like a whole room, stick it up in the air, it'll light up everything. Got both sides on. Okay. Oh, there's the UV. So if you've got, I don't even know if you can see it in my camera, but there is a UV light there. If you got a leak detector using UV dye, that'll help you out. So yeah, I think it is a really cool little tool. Oh, I had it. There we go. There's that. Whoops. Yeah, that one. So yeah, pretty cool little light. It's the big brother of this one. If I need to light up something and that one's not quite enough, I'll have this one. I really like that one. I know you've probably seen, I've got these shop towels all over the shop. You can wash them, but you might want to talk to your wife first because she may not want you putting motor oil and flammable liquids in her washing machine.
No, I don't want you to do that.
These were not on sale. Neither was this one. I normally like to wait for things to go on sale, but I was buying these and I kind of got into a frenzy and just had to have this one. So that was a good one. Now, something they had, I know, I need more screwdrivers, right? But these were free. I think they're normally like $2.99, but if you bought anything $14.99 and above, if you're in the Inside Track Club, these were free. So got a couple of screwdrivers. It's just a flat and a number, is it number 2 or number 3? It's a number 3 Phillips magnetic tips.
Tips. It's tips.
Yeah, pretty cool screwdrivers for free. You can never have too many screwdrivers. It says it's a number 2, but man, that is a big number 2 Phillips.
So the first number is 2.
I'm gonna take it out of the package.
My knife.
Let's compare the Quinn number 2 Phillips to a Wera number 2. I think this is a number 2. Yep. There's no way. Maybe I'll come a little closer and let you decide. What do you think? Are those both number 2? This one seems a heck of a lot bigger.
That's not what she said.
Let me compare it to a number 3, if I even have one over here. I don't think I even have a number 3 Phillips over here. This one says P2. This is a Husky P2. So they're closer. The Quinn is on your right and Husky. So those are number 2s. Maybe an American, or I should say Taiwanese number 2 is bigger than a German number 2.
You said number 2.
But you can see that says 2 on the back. and it is definitely a lot smaller. So maybe the size on Phillips is not universal. That is my small Harbor Freight tool haul for this week. By the time you see this, these things won't be on sale anymore, but they go on sale 4 or 5 times a year. Check them out next time you get to Harbor Freight. Always, if you're not a member of the Inside Track Club, you really should be, because you get cool stuff. You get not only discounts, this was only for Inside Track members. It's 30 bucks a year, but I bought 2 of these, saved $10 each, so that's 20 bucks. And then I got the free screwdrivers. That pretty much pays for the entire membership right there in one trip. And you get a whole year of that. So I don't get paid by Harbor Freight. They don't even give me free tools yet. Maybe someday. Check them out. Don't forget to check out my video on maintaining your floor jack. And until next time, guys, ramble on.
I'm rambling again. Well, I hope you folks enjoyed yourselves. Catch you later on down the trail.